Ever wondered if there's an easier way to start your e-commerce store without knowing how to code? I remember the frustration of trying to find the right platform to launch my store. I spent countless hours researching different solutions, only to be overwhelmed by complicated setups and technical jargon. It felt like every option required more coding skills than I had, leaving me stuck and discouraged. Then I discovered Shopify, and everything changed. It was the ultimate solution I had been searching for. User-friendly and designed for someone like me, who just wanted to focus on their products and customers. With Shopify, I could easily customize my store without worrying about coding or design complexities. For just $1, I could start building my online store effortlessly, and the platform took care of everything else: inventory management, payment processing, and even marketing tools. Now, I'm making thousands of dollars each month from my passion, all thanks to Shopify's intuitive and easy-to-use platform. The best part? I got started with just $1. Shopify has truly been a game changer for me. Their customer support is fantastic, and their resources helped me every step of the way. Don't let coding hold you back from your dreams. Click the button on your screen now to start your free $1 trial and have your own e-commerce store set up in minutes. Transform your vision into reality. Get your $1 trial now.